AEW Redemption ku mikino yagenze. Quick recap on the result of the inaugural AEW Redemption 2026 pay-per-view which took place in Montreal. AEW World Championship match, Kenny Omega defeated Kevin Knight. AE Women's World Championship match, Willow Nightingale defeated Thekla to become the new champion. AEW National Championship match, Andrade and Ídolo defeated Mark Davis to become the new champion. AEW TBS Championship match, Maya Ward defeated Hikaru Shida to become the new champion. AEW World Tag Team Championship, Cage and Cope, Christian Cage and Adam Copeland defeated Death Riders, Pac and Claudio Castagnoli. Tag Team match, the Young Bucks, Matt and Nick Jackson defeated Death Riders, John Moxley and Will Ospreay. AEW International Championship match, Kyle Fletcher defeated Bandido. Six-way International Title #1 Contender ladder match, Speedball Mike Berry defeated Jack Perry, The Beast Mortals, Commander, Nick Wayne and Eric Rowan. Double Chain Tag Team match, The Dogs, David Finlay and Clark Connors defeated Bang Bang Gang, Jay White and Bruce Robinson. No Hold Barred match, The Painmaker, Chris Jericho defeated Tommaso Ciampa via submission. 0 Hour Pre-Show, AEW World Trio Championship match, The Conglomeration, Orange Cassidy, Kyle O'Reilly, Roderick Strong defeated The Reto Twist, Jay Reto, Bray Christian and Lee Johnson. Uku niko imikino yagenze. Kenny Omega yatsinze Kevin Knight ku mukino wa AEW World Championship. AEW Women's World Championship match, Willow Nightingale atsinda Thekla. AEW National Championship match, Andrade Ídolo atsinda Mark Davis. AEW TBS Championship, Maya Ward atsinda Hikaru Shida. AEW World Tag Team Championship, Cage and Cope batsinda Death Riders. Tag Team match, The Young Bucks batsinda Death Riders. AEW International Championship, Kyle Fletcher atsinda Bandido. Six-way International Title ladder match, Speed Mark Berry atsinda Jack Perry, The Beast Mortals, Commander, Nick Wayne ndetse na Eric Rowan. Double Chain Tag Team, The Dogs batsinda Bang Bang Gang. No Hold Barred, The Painmaker, Chris Jericho atsinda Tommaso Ciampa. This was the result of the inaugural AEW Redemption 2026 pay-per-view in Montreal, where Kenny Omega retained the AEW World Championship against Kevin Knight after the main event. Will Ospreay turned on his Death Rider faction by refusing John Moxley's order to attack Omega. However, after Omega and Ospreay shook hands and finalized their fall in London, Omega shocked the crowd by hitting Ospreay with one winged angel. Thank you for your time. Wakoze kubana nanjye.